Golden brown. Golden brown.
Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen, as the horns blow, please rise to your feet and salute the longest running, most impactful hip-hop movement to come out of the city of Boston. 30 years of positivity, 30 years of originality, 30 years of creativity presented from the concrete to the cardboard, to the linoleum, to the worldwide stage. Join my crew in celebrating their crew. We are Golden Brown Sound, and we salute the Floorlords. Yeah, yeah.
We at the ICA with the MPC, Golden Brown Sound.
The crowd is on some real, let's go to the zoo and see the animals type shit. Like, it's not necessarily the crowd we thought it would be. But, you know, we'll entertain some tourists.
They want to eat the middle of the watermelon, the part with no seeds, between the part with the seeds. They don't want to deal with the rind, they don't want to deal with the seeds. A lot of the crowd is there to scoop the middle melon heart out and eat it, and that's good.
This is where they're winning. We're on the waterfront, beautiful, you know, ICA, all that. This is where they're winning.
Golden brown.
Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen, as the horns blow, please get up on your feet as we salute the most important factor in hip-hop to ever come out of Boston.
Hip-hop culture, y'all. Golden brown. Innovation. Close your eyes. Woo! Golden brown. Make some noise for my man D-Mike. That is hip-hop innovation. That's what B-boying's about, that's what DJing's about, rap writing's about, beatboxing's about. Can I innovate? Let me innovate and rock with them. Yo. I'm only in it cause I'm nice with the band, and what you should have said. Give me fresh breath to give what I would have kept. Spill blood every show I chef. Good grub, any cornball can empty a tech. With no dose, make them nod yes with a stiff neck. We bang and they claim our set. The best since sliced bread, Tyson O'Brien. And he claiming the same as straight lying. I make it work with a pair of pliers and no license. For short money you can't buy it, or folks like them. Politics is the 85 kite fest. Throw them threes cause I know where these stripes been. In and out of crisis, beyond grinding. We used to close line to make the mountain bike flip. Now I one liners make you like that. Pimp and rewrite that. You looking for heroes, son, rewind that. Yeah.
At the end of the day, I make the beats, he spins the records, and he kills the rhymes. And as long as we keep a triangle going, and we do it all at the same time, we're unique. That's it. Straight like that.
Okay.